So this video is exclusively for people who own the Sony a7 III, the Sony a7R III, the Sony a9. Those cameras right there, the ones I'm talking to. What we're doing right now is we're going to, in video mode on the Sony a7 III, we're going to adjust and set a custom accurate white balance. It's going to be more accurate than the little presets you have, like, you know, cloudy, sunny, shade, all that kind of stuff. It's going to be more accurate than that, and it will be faster than trying to guess at the values yourself. It does require one of these. Now, this is a $10 product you'll find on Amazon. It's a gray card. You'll notice an immediate improvement in your video quality. In fact, you'll notice that your exposures, if you're not white balanced properly, you'll start noticing really fast your reds or your blues are clipping or being crushed, and you don't want that. You want just a nice, good exposure, and setting proper white balance will make everything in video so much easier. So let's get to it. As we get started, I want to clarify a couple things. This the ISO button, this little ISO shortcut thing, I don't use that for ISO. What I've done is I've gone into custom settings and I've adjusted it so this whole wheel will adjust the ISO. So instead of hitting a button and then turning the wheel, I can just adjust the ISO with just the wheel, which I like. So now that that button is empty, I've programmed that to be white balance, because white balance is a priority and I want to have it right there as a shortcut. You're going to go into ISO, okay, ISO, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go down to the very bottom where it says set. We're going to click on it. Now it's going to tell us to press the 0 button to capture the data of the central area of the screen, and that is where this thing comes in. So what we're going to do is we're going to put that right in the middle of the screen, and we're going to hit the middle button. Now it's going to tell us what it thinks the white balance values are, and it's pretty accurate, especially when you're using a gray card. And you could already look and see on the photo or on the image that that's a much better reproduction of the color back there. It was a little blue before. And it's going to give us a choice of a register to put it under. So you can put it under 1, 2, 3. So it gives you 3 areas to put it. And I'm going to put this one under 1 just by hitting the middle button. Boom. And now you can see when we go into custom white balance, we have our custom 1. And you can see all the values there. All right, so that was pretty easy, right? Get used to this, practice it, just start doing it, and over time you will get faster and faster and faster at setting the white balance on your camera. Also, make sure to pick up one of these. I mean, they're just super, I mean, I've had this one for a couple of years now. I mean, they don't really die. I do have a couple stains on here. It might be time. It's almost time for me to replace it, but this thing is invaluable. It'll really help your production and post-production work. It'll really help your post-production workflow when you're cutting those videos together and you're trying to grade and you're wondering what the world is going wrong. A lot of the time it just comes down to white balance. Anyway, use my link in the description and you'll be able to help out the channel a little bit. I don't have a catchphrase to exit. What do I do? What do I do? Pull the camera off. Cool camera. Small HD. I like these. I hate these. By the way, I'm going to do a review on the Small HD Focus 5 before I return them. You can probably guess what that review's conclusion is. Hey, by the way, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe. We're gonna put out a lot more videos. You can watch some other related videos here. I have so much stuff that I've been accumulating, like just random gear, as the video production business has kind of taken off. So I have a lot of stuff to talk about, a lot of things to review, some tutorials to make and all that kind of stuff. So subscribe, like this video, and if you don't like it, just ignore the dislike button, because I don't know, nobody likes to see dislikes or thumbs down on videos. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you all. Again, I'll talk to you later.